Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions along with in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of negative 0.48% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This amounts to an average loss of negative 0.05% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 4.29% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 13.24% to positive 0.104%. In terms of a longer outlook, our analysis covering 12 months reveals a projected change of 41.31%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between 35.08% and 59.75% over the coming year. In tangible terms, this would suggest a future price ranging between $324.69 and $383.98. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Apple. The Apple stock price experienced a decline of 2.7% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025. The price dropped from $247.04 to $240.36. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.45%, reaching a low of $239.13 and a high of $244.98. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 3.33% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume tends to follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, resulting in a total of 44 million shares being exchanged for approximately $10.48 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 7.59%, or $19.73, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. could see a significant boost in its stock price as it prepares to re-enter the Indonesian market with the sale of the iPhone 16. This development follows an agreement to establish a manufacturing plant and a research and development center in the country. Gaining access to this large and emerging market may enhance Apple's international smartphone sales, positively influencing investor sentiment in the short term as expectations for new revenue streams increase. In contrast, political pressures surrounding Apple's diversity, equity, and inclusion policies could create volatility in the stock. Recent statements from U.S. President Donald Trump advocating for the elimination of such policies come on the heels of a shareholder vote that overwhelmingly supported maintaining them. While this political contention may pose a longer-term challenge in terms of public perception and operational effectiveness, it appears that investors are currently resistant to these pressures, as demonstrated by the recent vote against dismantling the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Program. Furthermore, ongoing scrutiny from U.S. intelligence agencies regarding reported United Kingdom demands for a backdoor in Apple's encryption could lead to regulatory challenges affecting the company's operational integrity. In the short term, concerns over privacy and security might dampen enthusiasm around the stock as investors assess potential risks associated with compliance and the impact on reputation. Overall, while the news from Indonesia presents strong growth potential for Apple, the political and regulatory environment will be crucial in shaping its stock trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple Inc. a reduce rating along with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Jefferies reported an underperform rating for Apple Inc. with a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs issued a buy rating for Apple Inc., accompanied by a hold action. Also on Wednesday, Loop Capital Markets reported a hold rating for Apple Inc. with a downgrade action. Finally, on Wednesday, UBS assigned Apple Inc. an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, presenting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $245.05. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $235.92. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, February 24, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 2.76%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. It is worth noting that volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 8 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $236, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.85 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 2.45%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.74%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This ratio is relatively typical, often observed in companies with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.61. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $243.85. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $236. If this support level holds firm, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of February 2025, Susan Wagner executed an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On the first day of February 2025, Ronald D. Sugar executed an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On that same day, Ronald D. Sugar also conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On the first day of February 2025, Monica C. Lozano executed an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.596. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,796,930 shares and sold 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $228.94, reflecting a decrease of 4.75%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive signals. However, these do not sufficiently indicate it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning it is advisable to either hold or gradually accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of February, we anticipate that Apple will open higher by $1.13, starting at a price of $241.49. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.